All right, today I'm taking a look at the Grobet USA 9-piece file set. Okay. All right, so we got two 6 inches, two 8 inches, four 10 inches, and a 12 inch. So these are both triangular patterns, so if you need to get inside of a tight corner, these are great for that. So this one looks more like a wood rasp. It's for some heavy duty cutting, and this is just a flat file. Look pretty good, huh?
Feel it. Feel how it grabs the metal.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Now take a worn out one and feel the difference.
Yeah.
You see what
That's
I'm
a
saying?
huge difference.
A good file, you'll know when it's grabbing and it'll cut. You can feel it grabbing.
Yeah.
So it's cutting. That's what it should be doing.
That's pretty awesome.
Good set.
Yeah.
Do you have a smaller round one?
No.
Where's this one?
Oh, that was this one. So we got two triangles.
Yeah, you
kind of a rasp.
Smaller rat's tail.
Yeah, we don't have that.
What do they call it? What's the name?
Round bastard.
Round bastard.
Yeah. Well, we got a half round bastard. So this would be good for getting inside shafts. And yeah, you can, just like he was saying, you can really feel this thing just wants to grab.
Yeah, that's how you can tell.
Makes sense. So is that to do with the hardness or the shape of the teeth?
Shape, it's just new.
Okay.
When they wear out, it gets less and less for those grabbers like it used to, you know?
That makes sense. So we got two teeth patterns here. This one's definitely going to be a rougher cut. This one's a finer cut, so if you need to get a cut more metal. And then that's the big boy. Oh yeah. Cool. Great file set.